If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making DUDHA PULI. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make a powder of it, from which we need about 2 tablespoons of that. Then 1 cup of grated coconut, 1½ cups of sugar, 1/3 cup of clarified butter or ghee and about half a teaspoon of salt. Now in a pan, take about 2 tablespoons of ghee followed by 1 cup of coconut, a teaspoon of powder, a pinch of salt and half a cup of sugar. Now roast this on medium flame for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes. And when this turn light golden color, remove it from the heat. Now take a pan and place it over medium flame and first add all the ghee followed by 1 cup of semolina or suji, and over medium flame roast this for roughly about 3-4 minutes. And when it will turn light golden color, add about 2 cups of water, a teaspoon of the powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half a cup of sugar. Now just combine these really well and within 3-4 minutes it will be done. Now apply some ghee on both of your palm and take a medium sized portion like this. Then shape it like a ball first. Then flatten it and add a small portion of the coconut stuffing, then close it. And with gentle pressure, give it an oval shape, just like this. Now similarly make others. Now take about 2 cups of milk, which is roughly about half a liter, and place that on medium flame. Then to that, add about half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of powder and a pinch of salt. Now mix it up really well and let it reduce almost 2/3 of the quantity. Then to this, add all the coconut stuffed balls and boil these in it for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes, and this should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad Dudha Puli. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.